seed video. And yes, the one I just realised you can rename it. So from now on, we will be renaming them. So this will be quite short because we've only got 4 left. So let's go into this one. And this one is -1965058952. And you can pause the video to do that again. Let's go on. And yes, I do. I'm all around my place. So this is the cool one because you know this. This is cool. Watch. This village over here actually has vines on it. Look, this half of it is just literally broken because there's so much things. Look, when you actually go inside, it's like all covered in vines. It's just so cool. Look at this, guys. Look, it's all covered in vines. It's just so cool. Everything is covered in vines. It's just so sick and cool. So, and remember, it is -1965058952. Yeah. My mum and dad are just like doing some things because we're going to redecorate the whole house. Yeah. And now we've only got 3 left. So this is cool. So -11, 43, 73, 47, and 6. Yeah. Create. Oh yeah, and you have to have the minus. Don't worry. That's a very short time. And if I go over here, what the hell? Did you guys see? They all just fell from the sky. Did you guys see that? They fell from the sky. That is weird. You guys had to see that because every villager got hurt. Oh yeah, let's go and check out this. Oh my god, they're everywhere. 3 diamonds, 5 apples, 1 bread, and then 1 iron leggings. That is good for a starter. Jeez. So this seed. Oh yeah, no, we're not done, are we? Got. If we go over here, I think it's over here. Oh yeah. If you follow the stream, just follow. You should reach this village. And yeah, 2 villages. There should be 2 villages. One just submerged on a cliff. And the other one should have a blacksmith, the other should. And this is rare. Look at that. It's a dark oak one. That is just so sick. And everything of the water is literally just frosted up. If you watch my videos a lot, then you will find out I love dark oak villages. But let's first check out the blacksmith. Let's go over here. Let's go into the blacksmith. 3 pieces of obsidian, 2 more diamonds, 3 obsidian, 3 bread, and 1 iron pickaxe. That is some good loot to start you off. Jeez. And then that again is -11, 43, 73476. And now we've only got. Wait, what? Oh yeah. So when it get past that, We only got 2 left. Not far into that. So, this is minus 55, 66, 48, 7, 1, 1. Create. Woo! So, what? So, where do we... Oh, yeah. Wait, what is this? Oh, yeah, you spawn by a pumpkin patch. And... we go over here somewhere. I forgot what the seed is. Wait. Is this... Oh, wait. Oh, cool. Oh, that's so sick. It's like, it's not a broken... I think this is it. Oh, yeah, this is probably it. It's like, you know ravines are like crap. This one's a round ravine. But you're probably like, that's not boring. But if you go actually inside and dig down... Watch this. Super pickaxe! Okay. Our super pickaxe broke. And then the last one is the number 3. So if we go over here, I think this is the same one. Is it? So, yeah, Nox destroyed our lovely world. Look, we're happy. We're all happy and happy. And then Monjang and Nox come up with a good idea. Oh, let's destroy the Minecraft world. And this was meant to be Candy Crush Saga. How is this possible? This is meant to be Candy Crush. Comment down below if this is Candy Crush. You really think? If you comment down yes, I will give it a lot thumbs up and I'll reply, that is so funny. What the flip is that? What the flip is it? That is not Candy Crush. And if you do comment Candy Crush, I'll give it a like and I will comment to it. What is this sort? This is... What were they thinking, making? Imagine if you did a pickaxe, it's just... That didn't even have to wait time. Okay. Yeah, I'm not mining for that long. How big is it? Oh, geez. So, this seed is either... I wouldn't do 792444040. I would just go Candy Crush Saga. And that's how you get it. Or you can do that. And yeah. So, that is the video. Yeah. Rainbow and unicorns. Wait, what?